Hello guys, this is Mom and Angel TV. You're welcome to my YouTube channel. Guys, today I'm going to introduce myself to you all. Anyway, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on where you for the watch this video. Okay, today I'm going to tell you guys about myself. My name now Edith. And then on my YouTube channel is Mom and Angel TV. I live in Germany. I'm a mother of three. And then on this my YouTube channel, I'm going to be cooking. Like I love cooking. So I go to cook. And then I go to do reviews. And I will also be doing home remedies. I go to do home remedies. So please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Turn on your notification bell so that anytime I upload any of my videos, you will be the first to be notified. Okay, guys, thank you for being here. Thank you for watching my videos. And bye. Love you all. Bye.